How would you like to live life on your own terms? How would you like to make the kind of money you've always wanted to make? I believe we have the right solution for you. Stay tuned for the next few moments. Would you enjoy more control over your earnings and your future? We are introducing the new global marketing industry, and we believe that this is one of the easiest ways for people to build a six-figure income or more online. We've got some incredible products, high quality, very affordable. In fact, we've got products that people can purchase at Wholesale on your superstore that you get for free. And you, as a distributor, can purchase products below Wholesale. Earn up to 55% retail profits daily, make up to 100% daily fast start bonuses, make up to 100% monthly power Uni-level pay, get signups and sales, and more. Plus, you'll partner with people that will offer you unequaled support. You'll partner with people who are committed to your success as much as their own. And you'll learn about our incredible 15 to 30 minute step-by-step advertising system, and you'll be able to participate in our co-op advertising program as well. Folks, we've got an incredible opportunity here for you. The company offers you a great done-for-you marketing system with lead capture pages and all. Man, this is really exciting. So if you really have a desire to make money, to build a business online, then we've got everything in place for you. Grab the link and take the free tour. Get your free store. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.